HTD is a very professional manufacturer integrating design and production with 17 years experience in toilet fitting. We can provide customer good service with the technical support. Today, let me show you our showroom. HTD has obtained over 30 patents and passed all kinds of certifications such as the CUPC, UPC, Watermark, CE, Words, ICRAM, NANS, and so on. According to the ISO Quality Control Assistant, our company also applies ERP system in order to let the different departments all connected together. HTD have two factories, each one around 8,000 square meters. HTD have the factory hardware, and we have the 40 sets injection molding machine and another 40 sets of the full automatic machine. Also, we have 3 libraries in our factory. The first one that we test the toilet fitting function. And the second one is for SD source grade for the hardware plating. And the third one, we test the toilet function for those customer OEM in China. The very important thing is that we have the automatic equipment application for fit valve and flush valve in order to increase our production capability. Why our products have 10 times lifespans than others? Because of these key parts inside of the fuel valve, and we have our own patents. Recently, we just developed this new product, the new fit valve with several functions. The first one with a very short LC line can be used for different tanks. The second one is very silent, and the third one with the self-cleaning function. The fourth one, it has very high water pressure. About the packing, we have 2 choices. One is color box, the other is blaster. So to make the customers requested. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Please feel free to contact me if you need more information.